Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to erase games saved on Steam. So it could be a single game or many games. I'll show you how to erase them. So quick one, guys. First of all, to completely erase a game stored on Steam, servers, or the database, you need to disable cloud synchronization and then delete the local files. Alright, so let's do this step by step. Step number one says, open up Steam and click on the top left corner, then choose settings. After that, go to the cloud tab and on the left menu, tap on the toggle off. After that, tap on the right click over here and then choose library. After that, go down over here, guys, and then find that game. Look for that game ID, guys. Then go ahead and delete files. After that, you'll have done or you'll have erased that game from Steam completely. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet